onto some kind of parking garage. I know it works because I just saw someone get on it. Oh, here we go. Trying to see that it is coming up. Can you see the motor? Yeah, you can. Look. There's the MRL machine. And here's the car. And it's not glass. Oh, well. Let's see here. Can't see that. What brand is this? Enor. I've not heard of that brand before. Alright, down to -5. Smells like hydro fluid in here. Even though it's definitely not hydro. Here we are at -2. Nothing to see there. Yeah, this is probably a rallo. Oh, that's a fire service thing I haven't seen on these before. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, honestly, what's out here? Parking garage. Wow, who would have thought? This has a different contact. Very basic parking garage elevator cab. And there you can see up. Did it just automatically select 0? I don't think I selected 0. It just did that. I don't know if you can see out at all. These usually have little gaps and crevices you can see out through. Not this one, I guess. You hear that public performance going on up there.
They're so good.
We'll watch the thing go back down.
Take the run.
And there comes the second. There it goes. Once again, there's the motor. Can't really see it moving. Maybe I can get a better view of it actually before I end the video. Yeah, it looks like we're in the shade on this end. Yeah, you can kind of get a slightly better view of it. There's the motor. Anyway, that's all.